Hi guys, Neil Waterhouse. Why are people buying this air fryer on eBay for $149.95 when they could just go to Kmart and buy it for only $79? That's an 89.81% markup, or for round numbers, a 90% markup. This week's quick video is Dropshipping Explained. So the question is, why do people pay higher prices on marketplaces like eBay, Amazon, Gumtree, Facebook marketplaces, and websites like Shopify stores, when they could just purchase the identical items cheaper from places like Kmart? The answer is, some people do go to places like Kmart to purchase their items. However, many others don't. Some people will spend the time sitting in front of their computers or devices researching to find the cheapest prices, where other people simply don't. Bottom line is, humans are creatures of habit. Some people will spend their time researching to find lower prices. Other people, they'll just log onto their favourite marketplace like eBay, Amazon, Facebook marketplaces, etc., and then find the item that they want, then hit the buy button. Note though, that I'm not recommending that you use Kmart as one of your dropship suppliers. In fact, I've been saying for many years not to use Kmart as a supplier, as Kmart puts their branding on their boxes, which can create what's known in the industry as buyer confusion. If you want a free list of over 900 dropship suppliers, I'll put a link below the video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Until next week, stay safe, list more, sell more. This is Neil Waterhouse.